Good day, everyone. Now, we will tackle the parts and function of electric fan and a little trouble. First of all, what is electric fan? Electric fan is an air moving machine used to cool with an AC motor connected with 60 Hz power source, which converts electrical energy to mechanical energy in order to generate a moving air. Now, let's move to the external parts of electric fan. First is the front guard. It is a protective metal mesh wire used to prevent the fan blade from any physical contact with foreign objects. Next is the guard mark. It is a logo of the manufacturer of the electric fan, which is mounted at the center of the front guard. Next is the switch box. It is a panel board for the controls of the electric fan. Next is the inner part. It is a metal tube inserted into the outer intended for the proper height adjustment of the electric fan. Next is the outer part. It is a metal tube attached to the base of the electric fan. Next is the base stand. It is the bottom of the lowest part of the electric fan, where it stands as a foundation. Next is the blade. It is a propeller made out of plastic or metal attached to the motor shaft and agitates air when the motor rotates. Now, let's move to the internal parts of the electric fan. First is the shaft. It is the part of the motor that carries the rotating members that is supported by bearings in which can rotate. Next is the stator. It is the stationary part of the motor, which the field windings are placed. Next is the rotor. It is the part of electric motor that runs or rotates. It is placed inside the stator. Next is the capacitor. It is a device used to boost the voltage to a motor. Running capacitors are used in the starting winding to increase the running torque of the motor. Next is the oscillation system. It makes the electric fan oscillate from left to right and vice versa. Lastly, the AC line cord. It is the most basic part of the electric fan, used to connect the unit to the power source. Now, let's repair a common trouble. But first, let's do the pre-testing. Now, as you can see, the electric fan has no power at all. If that is the trouble, check the continuity of the motor by using the multi-tester. And check the fuse if it's open. Thanks for watching. For more videos, click here to subscribe.